From Hollywood icons to sports legends, the world's richest celebrities don't just travel. They fly in style. Today, we'll explore the most expensive private jets owned by celebrities and the incredible luxuries hidden inside them. For billionaires and A-listers, time is the most valuable asset. Private jets aren't just transport. They're flying palaces offering total comfort, privacy, and status. From custom designs to golden interiors, these jets redefine luxury. Here's a look at the most extravagant celebrity-owned jets ranked by value. We start with Taylor Swift. Known for her record-breaking tours, she owns a Dassault Falcon 900 worth around $40 million. It's a luxurious yet practical jet with enough range for international travel and interiors tailored for comfort and privacy. Next, Jay-Z and Beyoncé. Their Challenger 850, valued at about $40 million, was actually a gift from Beyoncé to Jay-Z. The jet is customized with a living room, bedroom, and even a kitchen, perfect for traveling in style with the family. The Virgin Group founder Richard Branson takes the 8th spot. His Falcon 50X, worth around $75 million, is smaller than some billionaire jets, but fully equipped for long-distance luxury travel, reflecting Branson's adventurous lifestyle. One of Asia's wealthiest men, Mukesh Ambani, owns a Boeing business jet too, valued at about $73 million. This is essentially a Boeing 737 turned into a flying mansion, complete with a boardroom, lounge, and private suites. Bill Gates, one of the richest men on Earth, owns multiple jets, but his Gulfstream G650ER stands out. Valued at up to $70 million, it combines ultra-long range with state-of-the-art technology, ideal for a man who has to be everywhere. Elon Musk also flies in a Gulfstream G650ER, worth around $70 million. With top speeds close to Mach 1 and an interior tailored for work and rest, it's the perfect match for the CEO who runs Tesla, SpaceX, and more. Soccer superstar Cristiano Ronaldo is known for his extravagant lifestyle. His Gulfstream G650, worth around $75 million, is among the fastest and most luxurious jets in the world, complete with custom interiors fit for one of football's greatest players. Filmmaker and actor Tyler Perry owns a Gulfstream 3, valued at a staggering $125 million. The jet is packed with luxury features, including a full theater setup on board. It's less of a plane and more of a flying mansion. Kim Kardashian spent a fortune customizing her Gulfstream G650ER, bringing the total price tag to around $150 million. From custom leather seats to a cashmere interior, her private jet is literally an extension of her personal brand of luxury. And at number 1, Canadian rapper Drake. His Boeing 767, nicknamed Air Drake, is worth about $185 million. It's a massive aircraft usually reserved for commercial airlines, but Drake turned it into a private flying palace, with a lounge, bedrooms, and luxury finishes that make it one of the most jaw-dropping celebrity jets in the world. And there you have it. The 10 most expensive private jets owned by celebrities. Which one impressed you the most? Drake's Flying Palace, Kim Kardashian's luxury Gulfstream, or Ronaldo's ultra-fast jet? Let us know in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more luxury lifestyle and celebrity wealth videos.